Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone's tutorial, and I would like to show you the way how to set or how to change the notification display on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you open your phone and you are in the home sections, and whenever you are in the home screen you just need to jump into the settings part. And in the setting you just need to scrolling down until you found notifications. Just need to click it, and there will be appear here the display of the notification that provided by the iPhone itself. So you can choose either you want to be a count or stack or a list. So stack, it's gonna be like a notification that appear as a bubbles, but then you can scrolling up to find out the other notifications that received by your phone. But then with the list, they all containing more than one bubbles on your screen, so that you can check it the notifications right away. So you just need to find the style that you like for the display of the notification, and whenever you're done you just need to click it to choose it. And whenever you choose the styles of the notification display, you just need to go back, and now the notification display is already set into your phone. So that's the way how to change or how to set notification display on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel for another more iPhone tutorials.